Paramecium, ventral view. The organism is approximately 180 microns in length. Typically, the anterior end is rounded, and the posterior end is more sharply rounded. General ciliation is most easily recognized around the periphery. However, there is a distinctive midline grouping of cilia which converges upon the cytostomal orifice. Other groups of cilia occupy the cytopharyngeal space. These will include, in particular, the quadrilis and the paniculi, which will be discussed separately in another program. The paramecium has a remarkable incurved groove on its ventral surface. It is deep, somewhat oblique, and runs from the mid-anterior end of the body to the mid-body, where it becomes confluent with the entrance to the buccal cavity. It is known as the oral groove. This video illustrates the metachronous wave-like activity of cilia of the oral groove. And this slow motion ventral view shows how the wave-like activity of the cilia drives fluid and particles directly into the cytopharyngeal orifice. In this more lateral view, looking across the oral groove, waves of ciliary motion can be seen along the organism's surface and also in pulsatile fashion in the proximal oral vicinity. Note also that in a cross-hatched fashion, two files of cilia running down the middle of the oral groove face into each other in a V-like fashion, pointing posteriorly and directing fluid and particles along a midline path to the cytopharynx. And here is the target, the orifice of the cytostome. In some textbooks, it is said that this cannot be easily seen without silver stain. However, it is easily seen here as a refractile, rigid-appearing arch. In this video, several algal particles are collected in the stream created by the preoral cilia, and one of them makes it all the way to the end of the cytopharynx into its forming food vacuole. And here is the same video at 1/8 speed.